Hello, Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Virgo. Virgo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings. So it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Virgo people, in this reading, first of all I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay, so Virgo, this is your current energy. This is your partner's current energy. So first we'll discuss about your current energy. So we have 5 of Wands in reverse. Okay, it seems like you are out from some dispute, you are out from some manipulation, you don't want to be a part of this blame game, you don't want to be a part of this politics. Okay, perhaps you at this point of time in your relationship you feel that your person is blaming you for something. Okay, perhaps you feel that your person deliberately start fighting with you. So at this point of time you are completely focusing on your mental peace. Okay, you are not giving, it seems like it's not that you have given up on the situation, but yes, at this point of time you feel that my mental peace is the most important thing for me, so I should not get into this rubbish thing anymore. Okay, so you are working on your mental peace right now and you do not want to indulge yourself in such fights. On the other hand, your partner's current energy, Wheel of Fortune. Okay, this person must be experiencing some ups and downs in their life, and with this Wheel of Fortune it seems like their good time has started. Perhaps both of you have given up on the fighting. Okay, first you are out from this politics and blame game thing, and for those who are into relationship, perhaps you don't want to fight with your partner anymore. And with this Wheel of Fortune, it seems like your partner who was fighting with you in past, they have also understood that it's okay if nothing is happening, that just give it up. Okay, because it was meant to happen. It was meant to happen because your person was going through some transformation, and that transformation has been done for them. Their good time has started, their good luck has started. So perhaps that fighting, that blame game was nothing but a part of their transformation. Okay, now let's see what you think about them, what they think about you, what actions you guys are going to take towards them. What you think about them, what actions you can take towards them, what they think about you, and what actions they can take towards you. The outsider. You think that this person is stuck somewhere in life. Okay, you think that this person has made up their own preconceived notion about certain situations. Alright, you see them as somebody who wants to move out from their current location, from their current job, from their current energies, but this person is unable to do so because this person is really fearful. But you also see them as this person has so many opportunities, but why they are not taking any actions, you are completely clueless about it. Okay, from your angle you find this person that they are in a very good position. This person can escape from this negative energies, but they are not doing it. That thing is making you feel that why this person is not taking any actions towards their own happiness. Okay, alright, now let's see what actions you can take towards them. The burden. Taking an action towards this person is making you really feel overburdened. Over and over again you keep your things up, you keep your thoughts up in front of them, you try to talk to this person, you try to understand what is happening and what is going on in their mind, but the moment you start talking to this person makes you feel, you feel that, oh God, why am I talking to this person? So somewhere they are giving you a lot of burden. Okay, right now they are nothing more than a burden for you. Okay, so that's why you are not taking any actions towards them. And perhaps if you are taking any action towards them, in that situation you feel very overburdened. Okay, now let's see what this person thinks about you. Thunderbolt. According to this person, they see you as somebody who is who is also going through some transformation. Okay, they see that you need to do a lot work on your growth, or lot work on your evolution. Okay, according to them, they see you as somebody who is going through some transformation thing. Okay, perhaps this could be one of the reasons that you must have changed the behavior of yours. You must have changed your tone, voice tone. I don't know, something is there. And what actions they can take towards you is ordinariness. It seems like your person knows that you are also going through some tough time in life. Okay, and keeping that thing in mind and considering those facts in their mind, they want to give you something new. It's not very big, very big commitment, but yes, you can feel soft love from their side. Perhaps they are collecting, they are what should I say, they are thinking a lot about you. They want to surprise you. They want to give you something very beautiful in this relationship. That's why this person is taking their own time to come forward and talk to you. Okay, because they want to give you something best. If it is not big, but that's for sure, they want to give you something best. Okay, now let's see what angels wants to tell you. What is the angel message for you? What is the angel message for you? Okay, a year from now. Okay, so Virgo people, whatever you have planned, whatever you have manifested, okay, whatever you want to do in life, you can expect that result in a year from now. Okay, this could be related to your personal life, this could be related to your professional life, this could be related to your person, your family, your friend, your health. It could be anything. Okay, all right. So Virgo people, it seems like you are dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and we have earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn in this reading. Apart from that, we have fire sign also in this reading. So some of you could be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius also. Alright? Okay. So Virgo people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.